Hello all, welcome back. In this video we will see how to select drop down values. So we will see how to select a single value in normal single drop down, and there is a multi select drop down as well, and how to select multiple values in the multiple drop down we will see. So for that, as usual, and in the integration folder we need to create a class file which is handling drop downs spec.js, and again to get the intel sense I'm using a reference types is equal to Cypress. Okay, and then we need to give a describe handling drop downs, and then we need to pass a arrow function, and we need to create a method, test method. For that we need to use it and handling drop down one, and then I'm passing again arrow function. So if you see here, if you inspect our elements, so the drop down start with this select element, and in this web page we are having two select elements. One is for single select and one is for multi select. So we will see how to get the first one and how to get the second one here. Okay, for that first we need to navigate to our website cy.visit https://testingwithtechbrothers99.com, and then we need to click on the common elements. So for that I am just using the contains, and I am looking for common elements. Once it is found that common element, I am clicking on that link. Okay, after that I need to get the select element, so I am using the select. Okay, so when we get select by using cy.getSelect, we will get the two elements. So if you see here, as we are having two select elements, one is here and one is here, but those are in the same browser. So to get the first one we need to use .eq method of, so to get the first one we have to use the .0. okay, if we use .0 we will get the first one. So to select a value we need to use the select method of that one, and we need to pass the option value or the value, either of them you can pass. Okay, so I want to select here, suppose option 2. Okay, I need to pass select option 2. Okay, so let's save it and let's run and see. So once we save that file, you can see that a handling dropdown spec.js got created here. Once I click on it, browser window will open, and it started running. You can see here it got the first value, and option 2 got selected here. Okay, so this is how you can select that option. And if you wanted to select any other option, let's see in the first. So suppose if I want to select option 6 again here, so you can give option 6. Okay, but this time we will try with giving the value for the option. So I am giving a value of 6. Okay, so I don't want to give the complete option, so I want to give option 6. See here, so in this example I have given the label that is displayed, and in this value I am giving the value. So but still it is selecting that option 6. So either of them you can use. In the similar way, to select the multi-select, so if you want to select multiple values, we need to pass an array in the select method. So here for the multiple one, it is the first element. So and you can give like option 4 and then option 5 suppose, and then we need to end it. Okay, and we'll see whether it will get selected or not. And see here option 4 and 5 got selected. Okay, so you can pass the array here whatever the values that you want to select. So this can be used similar to the example 2. So you can pass the values as well here. So you can just pass suppose option 3 and option 5. So you can select those two values as well. So now if you see here the option 3 and option 5 got selected. So in this way you can select the single drop down and the multi select drop down using the Cypress. Thank you.